What's up guys? Today we are going to be making corned beef club sandwiches. I thought it would be a really fun idea to add my leftover corned beef to a club sandwich. I don't know about you, but I love club sandwiches. It's gonna be a delicious and unique twist on an Irish American classic and an American classic put together to make an absolutely epic meal. We're gonna toast some bread. We're going to add juicy tomatoes, crisp lettuce, and corned beef, which is savory and full of flavor. I am just going to pair the club sandwiches with a waffle fry. I basically never make waffle fries, so I think it's gonna be really cool to add the waffle fries as that little extra touch to make this meal seem super fun. If you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. We are always putting out homemaking videos, whether it's recipes, decorating, cleaning motivation, craft projects, all stuff like that. If you're a returning subscriber, I just want to say I appreciate you and thanks for coming back and hanging out with us again. Happy St. Patrick's Day. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Let's get cooking.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, yeah, I can carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light.
Oh my God, look at this. It looks so good. I can't wait to dig in. It was good. That is all I could ask for in a club sandwich. Golden brown toasted bread, a light coating of mayo, crispy savory bacon, juicy tomatoes, crisp lettuce, Colby Jack cheese, and corned beef. I mean, come on, this is the best club sandwich I think I have ever had. This was leftover corned beef, and we transformed it into something truly epic, I think. You guys have to try this. I need another bite. It's so good. Something really interesting actually is this tastes a lot like a club sandwich, even though you don't have the turkey or the ham. I think maybe because the bacon and all the other ingredients are the same and the only thing you're swapping out is the meats for corned beef. This is literally, I feel like, is going to be a new family tradition every year after St. Patrick's Day because it is that good. And this might possibly be the best club sandwich I have ever had. Corned beef is so good. I mean, how can you not love corned beef? Try your corned beef with this all-American classic, and this might be a new family tradition for you too. My husband is super excited about this too because it's a really creative and fun way to use your leftovers, and this by no means feels like leftovers at all. So I don't think it's very often that you actually look forward to leftovers almost more than your traditional meal, but this one is definitely a hit. So they turned out absolutely amazing. You guys have to try these. It's a really fun way to use your leftover corned beef. If you're new to my channel, I just want to say welcome. I'm so glad you're here. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. If you're a returning subscriber, I just want to say I appreciate you and thanks for coming back and hanging out with us again. We're always putting out holiday themed recipes, decorating, basically all things homemaking and delicious. I'm an artist, and as a homemaker, I feel like cooking is my art. I like to be creative and put those extra little touches into my cooking that set it over the top and make it feel extra special. Last night I made corned beef and cabbage sliders. I'm gonna link that video in the description below if you want to check that out. They were absolutely to die for. I hope your week is filled with peace, love, and happiness. Peace! Thanks for watching!